Hey YouTube, today I'm asking you guys to help me with my kickflip. My last video I showed you guys a new trick that'll learn. With this video, help me with a kickflip, please. So in my last video, well, I said I get to flip around, but I don't land it. And sometimes I push away myself, kind of. That was bad. Sorry. I'll just do an ollie. Yes. I'll do two more and then, yeah. Okay, one more actually. That was my kickflips, which I kind of probably have them by the end of the summer. But please comment how I should get better at them, and I'll be posting more videos. Actually, probably not until next week. So see you guys later.